Hi, my name is Richard. Welcome to Sudoku School, lesson number 5. As you see at the bottom is the table which shows us how many numbers already exist in this beginning Sudoku. And number 3 exists already 5 times. And this is the reason that at the first step we are going to looking for number 3. And looking for the square B1. On this row, number 3 already exists. In this row, number 3 already exists. In this column, number 3 already exists. In another column, number 3 already exists. There's one available space on the B1 for number 3 is over there. The next step is C3/7. Square C3 is over there, /7 is over there. And as you see, number 3 already exists in this row, and number 3 already exists in this row. There's one available space in C3 for number 3 is over there. The next step is C3/1. Square C3 is already over there, and we're looking, and location 1 is over there, and we're looking for number 8. As you see, in this column, number 8 already exists, and this column, number 8 already exists, and one available space for number 8 in C3 is over there. The next step is A1/4. Square A1 is over there, and we're looking, and location 4 is over there, and we're looking for number 5. Number 5 already exists in this column, and number 5 already exists in this column. There's one available space for number 5, and square A1 is over there. Next step is C1/6. C1 square is over there, /6 is 6 location is over there, and we're looking for number 1. As you see in this row, number 1 already exists. In this column, number 1 already exists, and in this column, number 1 already exists. One available space and square C1 for number 1 is over there. Next step is A1/8. Square A1 is already over there. Location 8 is over there. You're looking for number 1. As you see in this row, number 1 already exists, and this row, number 1 already exists. There's one available space for square A1, it's over there. The next step is C1/3. Square C1 is over there. Location 3 is over there. And as you see, and looking for the number 2, as you see in these columns, number 2 already exists, and in this column, number 2 already exists. There's one available space for number 2, and square C1 is over there. The next step is B3/4. Square B3 over there, and location 4 is over there, and we're looking for number 4. As you see, number 4 already exists in this column, number 4 already exists in this column, and number 4 already exists in this row. There's one available space in square B3 for number 4 is over there. Square A1 is over there, and location 3 is over there. We are going to eliminate numbers which can't be on this location, because rows and because columns, and because exists already in this square. And 1 already exists in this column, is this row. 2 already exists in this row. 3 exists in this square. 4 exists. 4 is available on this location. 5 already exists in this square. 6 already exists in this square. 7 already exists because exists in this square. 8 because eliminate because already exists in this row. And 9 is eliminated because already exists in this square. There is one available number in this location is for number 4. Our square A2 and location 7 is over there, and we're looking for number 4. By first, we are going to neighbor square over there and look that in this column already 4 already exists, and in this row 4 already exists. In this square 4 in the future will be in this row. It's one location or another location. We go to our square. In this square, number 4 already exists in this column. Number 4 already exists in this row, and this row, number 4 will be exist in this. And one available space for number 4 in square A2 is over there. Next step will be A3/2. Square A3 is over there, /2 is over there, and you're looking for number 4. As you see, in this column, number 4 already exists, and this row, number 4 already exists, and in this row, number 4 already exists. There is one available space for number 4 in square A3 is over there. And the next step will be A3 number 1/1. Square A3 is over there. Location 1 is over there, looking for number 2. As you see in this row, number 2 already exists, and in this row, number 2 already exists. And one available space for number 2 in square A3 is over there. The next step is square C1/7. Square C1 is over there, and /7, location 7 is over there. And we are looking for the number which already doesn't exist in this row, doesn't exist in this column, and doesn't exist in this square. This elimination, by elimination. Like number 1 is already exist in this row. Number 2 is already exist in this square. Number 3 is already exists in this square. Number 4 is already exists in this row. Number 5 will be over there. Number 5. Number 6, because number 6 already exists in this column. Number 7 already exists in this row. Number 8 already exists in this square. And number 9 already exists in this row. There is one available space is for number 5, doesn't exist in this square, doesn't exist in this row, and doesn't exist in this column. is for number 5. The next step will be C1, location A. Square C1, location 8 is over there, and we're looking for the number which don't exist in this square, in this row and this column. As you see, number 1 already exists in this square, number 2 already exists in this square, number 3 already exists in this square, number 4 already exists in this row, number 5 already exists in this square. This will be for number 6, because number 7 already exists in this row, number 8 already exists in this square, and number 9 already exists in this row. As this available space in square C1 is for number 6. The next step will be square C3, location 3. Square C3 is over there, and location 3 is over there, and we're looking for number for number 6. Excuse me. As you see, in neighbor square, 6 already exists in this row, and in this neighbor square, 6 has to be exist in this two available space. We don't know right now which one, but this row 6 will be exist all 6 will be exist in this row, and 6 already exists in this column. Times one available 6 exists in this row. Like the one available space for number 6 is over there. The next step is square B1, location 4. Square B1 is over there, location 4 is over there, looking for number 6. As you see, number 6 already exists in this row, number 6 already exists in this column, and number 6 already exists in this row. There's one available space for number 6 in square B1 is over there. Next step is square B2, location 2. Square B2 is over there, location 2 is over there. You're looking for number 6. As you see, number 6 already exists in this column. Number 6 already exists in this column. And number 6 already exists in this row. One available space for number 6 in this square is over there. See you next time for lesson number 6. Good night.